सभी को नमस्कार। मैं नूतन योगेश सक्सेना गुजरात से इस खूबसूरत कवर पेज की पुस्तक जिसका नाम मेलोडिक जर्नी है की एक को ऑथर हूँ। मुझे इस पुस्तक में स्थान देने के लिए मैं इसकी कंपाइलर रितु तिवारी जी एवं क्विलिंग हार्ट पब्लिकेशन को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ और इसमें शामिल अपने सभी को ऑथर्स को भी बधाई देती हूँ। मैं इस पुस्तक की शानदार सफलता की कामना करती हूँ और यह पुस्तक अमेज़न पर भी उपलब्ध रहेगी। धन्यवाद।
Hello, I'm Aparna Ghosh from Mumbai. I'm so thrilled to be a co-author for this lovely book called The Melodic Journey. Thank you so much, Quilling Heart Publication, for making this dream possible. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Rupal. I am co-author of Melodic Journey and I'm originally from New Delhi. And yes, I'm really excited for the launch of this book. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sonia Bhyana, and it's a privilege to be a co-author of such a nice anthology. And I truly believe that when like-minded people meet, then wonders happens. And I think Melodic Journey is just the perfect example of it. I'm grateful to Quilling Heart Publications for all their efforts and giving us this wonderful platform. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm Mansi Chauhan from Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and I'm happy to be co-author of Melodic Journey. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Chirag Shirsat and I am from Mumbai. I am the co-author of the book Melodic Journey. Thank you very much Cooling Heart Publication as well as to the compiler of the book Ritu Tiwari for giving me such a great opportunity to prove myself. And yes, I am eagerly waiting and very much excited for the book launch. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Ella Pachauri and I am from New Delhi. I am extremely happy to be one of the co-authors of the book The Melodic Journey, which will be soon coming out on Amazon. I am extremely thankful to Quilling Heart Publication for bringing out this book and my heartfelt gratitude to Ritu Tiwari for compiling this book and putting in so many amazing efforts. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Shraddha Shukla. I'm from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I'm co-author of Melodic Journey. We have been putting a lot of efforts, emotions, love into this, and this is finally going to release. So I hope you guys will like it. Stay tuned. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम राधा कुमारी है और मैं पटना बिहार से हूँ। मैं मेलोडी जर्नी की को-ऑथर हूँ। मैं तहे दिल से क्विक हिल्स पब्लिकेशन और रितु तिवारी जी का बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ और यस, मैं इस बुक की पब्लिकेशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ। थैंक यू।
Hi, this is Ekta Sehgal. I am a co-author of Melodic Journey and I am from Noida. I would like to thank Quilling Heart Publication and Ritu for all the effort that they are putting in to bring this book out. This book is going to be available at Amazon. I wish all the co-authors an amazing writing experience today, tomorrow, and forever.
Hi everyone, my name is Monica Goyal Diwan and I'm a proud co-author of the book Melodic Journey. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Quilling Heart Publications and Ritu Tiwari for putting in their dedication and lot of hard work and efforts to compile the beautiful poems of many poets together and come out with this lovely book. This book is available on Amazon. I would urge all of you to just go out and explore. Lovely reading. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Richa Shukla and I am a co-author of Melodic Journey. I am not a seasoned poetess, but yes, I love to pen down my feelings time to time. My heartfelt gratitude goes to Quilling Heart and Rituji for taking up such a wonderful task and completing this beautifully. I also want to thank you guys for giving a platform for budding poets and writers. Keep growing and keep going. Thank you.
सभी को नमस्कार। सर्वप्रथम
इस पुस्तक तक पहुंचाने के लिए जो मेरी माध्यम बनी उनको हृदय से आभार है। उसके बाद इस पुस्तक की मेलोडिक जर्नी के जो कंपाइलर हैं रितु तिवारी जी, उनका हृदय से बहुत बहुत आभार, जो इस पुस्तक में उन्होंने मेरे शब्दों को स्थान दिया और वो बहुत ही कर्मठता से कार्य कर रही हैं इस पुस्तक को जन जन तक पहुंचाने के लिए। और उनकी आगे की यात्रा, साहित्यिक यात्रा के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और एक बार फिर से रितु तिवारी जी का हृदय से बहुत बहुत आभार।
Hi everyone, I am Praveen, a hitchhiker, a power walker, a storyteller, and sometimes I do write software code. I am the co-author of the book Melodious Journey. The story Just Wanna Be With You is all about love and emotion with one more ingredient, unexpressed. To exactly depict it, I would say lines of Mirza Ghalib, अगर सब कुछ मिल जाएगा जिंदगी में तो तमन्ना किसकी करोगे, कुछ अधूरी ख्वाहिशें तो जिंदगी जीने का मजा देते। Thanks Quilling Heart for this awesome, great opportunity. I am pretty excited. Have a good read.
Hello everyone, I am Akash Agarwal. I am one of the co-authors of that amazing anthology called The Melodic Journey, and I'm glad to be a part of this where so many amazing co-authors have come together and presented their amazing pieces of poetry and quotes in this piece of anthology. I thank Quilling Heart Publications for this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Ritu Tiwari. I'm the compiler of this beautiful anthology named Melodic Journey. Yes, this anthology is compiled by me, but all credit goes to the talented co-authors who gave their best with the pen and helped me to complete this anthology successfully. Thank you so much.